Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolute zero. Absolute zero. Absolute zero. Absolute zero is a scientific term used to describe the lowest possible temperature that can theoretically be reached, where the motion of particles ceases entirely. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Absolute zero is the point at which all thermal motion of particles stops, making it the lowest temperature that can exist. Why absolute zero use in example number 1? In this example, absolute zero is used to define the concept as the lowest possible temperature. Example number 2. The Kelvin temperature scale starts from absolute zero, which serves as its 0 point. Why absolute zero use in example number 2? Absolute zero is mentioned to explain the starting point of the Kelvin temperature scale. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.